Hey everybody, Mr. Maxwell here, and this week, we are going to be building some circuits. We're going to start today with a series circuit. What we have here are some copper wires. We have three light bulb holders with light bulbs in them. We have one switch, and we have two sources of energy, which are batteries. So what a series circuit means is that we start with the battery, hook a wire. We're going to use two batteries today. So we're going to hook a wire from battery to battery, then from the switch to the battery, and then from the switch to a light, and then back to the battery. That's in a series. It's like a row. Okay, so let's start that. These battery holders have a little clip on the end, and what you try to do is you hook it in. You stick the wire into the hook on this side, and then when you let go, this little tab pushes up against the hook. It makes the wire, and it sticks the wire between the hook and the little tab there. And sometimes it's hard to see where the little hole is to stick it. So it takes me a couple minutes. That's what's happening. All right. Just get one. And then the other. There's that. Now we're going to stick the switch to the other side. I already have the wires on the switch because we had to hook them around. Then I'm going to take the light bulb, and I'm going to go from the switch to the light bulb. Now, in a minute we're going to hook another light bulb in here, but I want you to see how bright the light is when it's just one light bulb. So, all right, so do you see the light bulb? Do you see how bright it is? All right, let me come up closer so you can see. All right, there's the light bulb. All right, now we're gonna see that when we hook up another light bulb, that's not gonna be as bright. So look what we can do here though. See how this switch is down? Now this is just like the lights in your house or your apartment, wherever you live. When you take that, you are creating a hole in your circle, which means that the electricity can't flow. What happens when we put this down is we fill that hole, and the energy starts at the battery, goes through the switch, through the light bulb, back to the battery. Okay? Now we're going to disconnect it over here. We're going to stick another light bulb and light bulb holder in our series. Now I want you to look at, there's a difference in how bright the light bulb is. Now look, both light bulbs are lit, but they're much less bright. Here, let me see if I can come closer for it so you can see. All right, so they're both lit, but they are a lot less bright. Okay? Now, the other thing that's bad about a series circuit, watch what happens. If I take this light bulb and I unscrew it, both light bulbs go out. If I screw this back in, both light bulbs come back on. Okay? So, two things that are worse about a series circuit is that the lights are using the same energy, so the light is not as bright as if it was one light bulb. And if one of these breaks, say the bulb burns out, if one of them breaks, then everything stops working. And that is a series circuit.